Hello and good day. Just thought I'd quickly tell you about our latest offer for this month. It's on one of these, which is the Siamesed hose set. This is the clipped version. One of the most unique, or one of the main advantages, if you like, of this is that it comes as clipped, which does mean that if a hose gets punctured, you can just replace one hose rather than both. Reclip and off you go. Comes with a set of flat face couplings, so this is truly a ready to rumble product, rated up to 275 bars, so you can take on the most arduous tasks. Obviously ideal for the beaver packs. We also do many other hoses, size, style, etc. Along with the fittings, the adapters, step up, step down, elbows, and then obviously complemented with our great range of manure couplings available for next day delivery right to you. So these are in stock, and this hose set is on a special offer, £80.65, so save yourself a lot of time and a lot of money. So if you need one of these this month, give us a shout or a call on our main number, email, and we will help you out, get this out to you for a great 15% saving. Look forward to hearing from you.